Hi everyone, I want to welcome you all specially to this week's live trading class. So I saw a message saying that I'm out of storage. So I'm just trying to see if I just hope that doesn't affect today's recording. I was trying to see if I can locate where I can create more storage, but that seems like it is not coming. Okay, so let me just focus on. Okay, so share out the links. If you're live with us, share out the links. Let everyone in your contact know that we're live, and that we're going to be discussing things that are of value and will be valuable to them in trading. So tell everyone that we're live. Tell everyone that we're live. Tell everyone that we're live. Okay. Then on the comment section, please don't forget to leave out comments. Let me know your feedbacks on what we're talking about, and if there's anything you would like us to discuss, you can also suggest on the comment section, and it will be looked into. If we don't discuss it in today's class, we can probably discuss it in other meetings. So quickly, we're going to look at the directional bias of the markets. We're going to start from DXY down into crypto. And from crypto, we're going to look at CFDs. Then round up with Forex and synthetics. So what I'm doing currently is I'm sending out the links to all of my contacts. And that's what I think you all should do. Send out the links to your contact, let them know that we're live and that so much value will be shared in this class. So it's not worth missing. It's something they should all join in for, so we can be able to teach them a lot from it. Share the links, share the links, share the links. I'm sharing it currently with my contacts. A good number of my contacts is receiving it right now as I speak. Make sure you do the same. Let a good number of your contacts also receive it. Tell everyone that we're live, whether it's a probe trader, whether it's a newbie, whether it's someone who's been into trading for a short time, long time. We're live, and what we are going to be sharing in this live trading class will benefit everyone. Something that everyone will get value from. Okay. So I've sent to some of my contacts about 2,000. So I go to my order, the device. Okay, so I hope you're sharing out the links. Please do. Please do share the links. Share the links. Let everyone know that we are alive. Let everyone know that we're alive. A lot of value is going to be shared in this live class, and it will help you in your trading journey. It will help you in your trading career and help you to make good improvements in everything you are doing in the trading industry. Okay, so quickly, I'm going to share my screen. I've been able to send out the links to most of my contacts. So right now, I'm going to share my screen with you. All right, so my screen is being shared. The entire screen though. So I'm going to go straight to trading view, and we're going to start off with the XY. So I didn't even know my trading view app is not opened. Sorry about that. Let me quickly open it. Sorry, it's coming up. Okay, so what am I seeing on Silver? Silver is looking like we can sell. I think we can sell Silver. So we can sell Silver. So if you would like to sell, just take it out from here. Just target the next inducement point and let your stop loss be a little bit on the fair value gap. Take out all the blocks, or they have been mitigated. So this is the entry for Silver. So if you're ready, go out all in to this entry and catch profits for yourself. So quickly, let me drop that signal on the privates and the private and public group. So we have Silver 3627,420, 3627,420, 35,479,90, 35,479,90. So please, everything holds on until we're able to get our entries all correctly in. Reason is because we've been waiting for this. Okay, so for us, don't know formal, but it's courtesy demands that when we find an entry, we should stop whatever we were doing so we can get that entry executed. Okay, so we do not. We're here to make money. So if we keep missing our entries, how else are we going to make money? So that would not make any sense. So that's why we have to get that entry in first before any other thing. So as many of you that are ready and willing to catch that entry, then I'll say to you, congratulations. So congratulations. Okay, so quickly, the dollar index, I told you we would be buying. So currently, it's still buying. Okay, so I posted an entry for GU as at to 2, means 2 a.m. That's just if 1 hour after the Asian session, and it induced us before going to take profits. So, but I have another block here, which I needed to mitigate first before I know what will be the next entry. So, for as many of you that are ready, this will be the next entry for GU. If you're ready, I told you that we're going to be going bearish on. So I told you that DXY will be going bullish this week. That bullish movement has started somehow, and that simply means that for GU and EU, every pair that is directly correlated to them, you should be going bearish. So now you can place a sell limit just at a simple price of 36930, 36930, 36930. Okay, the stop loss should be just around 37135. Three six 36. So just a minute, please. Let me share out that information with the community so that everybody can be up to date with what's going on. So it's a sell limit. So even if you don't enter right now, you can go in as at when you are available to go in. But that's a good entry on GU. So the DXY, like I said, will be going bullish this week. Several imbalances on the bearish side, and I've been anticipating those imbalances to cover during the previous week, of which it didn't play out as predicted. So, but I see it playing out this week. So, if you look very well, you see that it's currently buying, coming to fill up this imbalance. That's imbalance one and imbalance two. So there are two imbalances that must be filled. Two imbalances that must be filled. If you look at the 24-hour time frame, you see that it is bearish, but it's retracing bullish. It's retracing bullish. You can see that it has formed two bullish candles from the 24 hours time frame, which clearly indicate that we can actually begin to consider the XY as buying. So quickly, let's look at okay, this was the good entry I posted on the VIP community. So anyone in the VIP community that got that, congratulations. So it tried to induce us, but our stop loss is at a good and strategic place. Please don't close the entry, leave it, let it go to take profit. Then we have so I'm done with CFD. Let me say a few things because I didn't say anything on this. I only gave you the entry because I've been waiting for that entry. So let me say a few things. So if you look closely, you see that silver is bearish on the 4-hour time frame. So it's on a bearish trend, but it's decided to go bullish for a while, and I saw it coming to this fair value gap. Okay, so I mapped out the fair value gap and decided that once I see a break of structure and a change of character on or from the fair value gap, I will be looking for my entry, and this is it. This was the first break of structure, and this was the change of character. So anything around this fair value gap, this is the most uh, uh, current fair value gap that I would consider. Okay, this instead because of this rejection. Okay, so I think yeah, this. So this is it. So that was why we decided to go bearish on that. So we are going bearish for as you can see, at least from that level to let me see, the take profit is looking too long. Okay, I consider the next, let's see if it's going to get there because I'm seeing a huge rejection here. See the usually then I'm seeing 4 hour here. I'm more particular about the 4 hour. This target might be too long. The reason that I targeted that was I'm looking at the next swipe of liquidity from the 15 minutes time frame. But from the higher time frame, I'm not seeing price get there. The first swipe of liquidity is this. The bench for 4 hour bearish move is here. And then this. So what we're going to do is that we're going to include TPs. So this should be the TP one. 35, 85, 06. So we go 35. So we go TP1, 35, 85. Okay, sorry. TP1, 35, 85, 480, 480. TP1, TP2, 35, 79, 79, 1. 35, 79, 79, 1. Then TP3 should be what we were targeting before. 35, 481, 92. 35, 481, 92. That's TP3. Okay, so update silver. Okay, so don't let greed get you. What it means is once price is on TP1, you break even, knowing that price may reverse at that point. So these are possible reversal points which you must take note of. Don't just assume that price would just get to TP3 because TP3 was initially the only TP I posted. But I haven't looked at many of my key indicator factors. I'm not seeing prices get to that TP3 immediately. I'm seeing liquidity at different points, and those liquidities formed the TP1, the TP2, and the TP3. So trade with caution and make sure you protect your profit when prices begin to get to TP1. All right, so quickly, I think I'm done with GJ. DJ's okay, it's giving me what I want now. So I mapped out the fair value gap here, and I was waiting for price because it's bearish also to get in there and give me the bearish confirmation. So right now it's giving already, but it's not time. It's not time because we need it to give us a break of structure, complete market structure shift before going. If you go in now, you may get induced. So it's important to always know what time to go in. Maybe when you join in my class, I can teach you how to know that. But right now, what I'm talking to you about is how to get a trade done. So same thing with AJ. You can see I mapped out the fair value gap to see if it will hold price. So price has mitigated that fair value gap and it's currently on this order block. So and I think price is holding it because price has been rejected already on this order block. So once I'm able to get a complete market structure shift, we're going to be going bearish on AJ. Then people USDT crypto. On people USDT, it went massively bullish a few days ago. So and which is why I always tell you it's better to buy. So currently, I was thinking if ever that I would hold it, but it didn't. So I'm going to wait for it to get to this order block. When it gives me a bullish confirmation, then we're going to be going bullish on people USDT. I think that will be all on. That will be all on Forex, CFDs, and crypto. Now I've not yet introduced this stock. My apologies. I'm going to work on that. Sorry about that. So next week, I promise you, there's going to be a stock Tesla at least. So we have this beautiful partnership coming up. I just hope it goes as planned with ICT Markets. So ICT Markets is a new brokerage firm that's contacted us and is willing to go into partnership with us. In fact, we've actually gone into partnership. So this is the dashboard, and to fund an account is very easy. You just come like this, put the amount you want to fund. I think minimum of $10. Then deposits. So currently the integration with Naira is still in process. So you either use MasterCard or you use crypto for now, or any of those options that you saw. So let's go back again. Let me show you something. So if you come to, let's say you want to deposit, if you come to deposit, you choose USDT. I think that's a bit direct. So you click deposit. It brings out the TRC20 wallet where you can easily make your deposits. So once you make the deposit, you receive the funds. Your account, of course, is already there once you have verified. I believe I'm talking to traders. That's why I'm not speaking from grassroots. Maybe with time, I'm going to do a couple of videos. Now, we're into direct partnership with this brokerage. So most of the information you're going to be getting about this brokerage will be coming directly from me. So I'm going to do more videos, okay, give you more informations. But until then, uh, trading accounts, once you create a trading account, the details of this account is sent into your email. Okay, so you log on. If it's MT5 you choose, that's MetaTrader 5. Okay, I think that's the only option here. You can now log into this account on your MetaTrader 5 and then you start trading. Okay, so we have our partners dashboard. So for those of you who would like to, refer people as you start using this brokerage, I'm going to be sending you out links, of which with that link you can, quickly sign up so that you can be part of the partnership. Then you can be able to work with us, Team Nigeria. Okay, so we're looking at building up Team Nigeria. So this is a brand new brokerage firm since 2019. Okay, and there's a lot you can actually accomplish partnering with this brokerage firm. And I'm looking up to working with you on this. So if you're willing to be with me on this one, then I would like you to drop comments on the comment section or send me direct messages. Those of you that have my contact, or send us message on our office line, on our official line, and we would discuss more. So we are currently working on how we can establish an office in Lagos, Nigeria. That's a head office, and branch office in Abuja. So, but as we make progress on this, we'll give you more feedbacks and information on that. So quickly, let's just look at the synthetics to round up this. So I'm going to keep on bringing you more information on that as we have any online session. I told you during the weekly analysis that we're looking at partnership with a new brokerage firm with beautiful offers. So those of you who saw weekly analysis must have heard that. Okay, so maybe willing to hear more. So this is volatility 25. Not really had much time on it. Oh wow, massive move. Massive move. Not really had much time on it. So it's out on the regions we already marked. So let's just mark the new regions now. So this is what it's showing us on the 4-hour. It's bearish. Okay, 4-hour bearish. And let's see 24-hour. So it's 24 hours bearish as well. So take note of that. So we're going to be looking for bearish moves. So if I find, let me look quickly if I will see. If I see, then we go in. If I don't see, then you wait for me to give you. I'm going to go in. Okay, so looks like there's going to be one. But let it retrace bullish first. So if you're buying, then you are counter trading. But if you go bearish like me, then you are in the trend. So let's look at jump 25 as we round up this class. Okay, so I think jump 25 gave his own massive move as well. Let's look at the trend. Oh wow, massive, massive, massive. So the trend now is for this way it is currently. So it's currently bearish. Okay, so bearish for sorry. Bearish for bearish 24 hour. Let's reconfirm the 24 hour quickly. So 24 hours is bearish as well. So we have bearish 4 hour, bearish 24 hour. And so for our entry time frame, so once we have a bullish retracement, we find our bearish entries. Don't forget to subscribe to our VIPs package for the academy. And in case you don't have money for that, then come to training videos. And you have free training videos. And also don't forget to join our free channel, whether on Telegram or WhatsApp. That will give you opportunity. Now remember to register for July bootcamp, which will be holding in Lagos. It will be our first meeting in Lagos. And from that day onward, we're going to keep on having our meetings in Lagos every month, just as we have in Abuja. So we're trying to spread our tentacles and also build our teams in Lagos stronger so that we can penetrate other regions. So the VIP channel is here for those who have subscribed. Okay, and that will also give you access to courses. This course will put you into professionalism. So in case you don't have money, take advantage of the free channel. From the free channel, then you can look at the mentorship plan. I haven't made money. So this mentorship plan, we have, as you can see, 4 packages. As little as $20, you can actually get on board. Okay, we did a promo of 50%, which means it's $10 you could have come on board. But if you missed that promo, watch out for the next promo, because we're going to keep on doing promo because we want to help you and assist you to make it easy for you. But if you say no, I only want one mentorship physically or online, then connect. But one thing that I want you to know is once you have access to the VIP courses without having a live session with me, you can learn anything you want to learn. That's part of the vision. The vision was to get you to be able to learn trading on your device at your comfort, at your convenience, so that you are not looking for someone to teach you and the person is not available. So until during the weekly analysis, I want you to have a great trading week. Make sure you don't do the don'ts, do the do's. I've guided you already. It's a weekly analysis already. It's a weekly review. I've told you what the week is going to be like. The war between Iran and Israel has, ceased to an extent, and because of that, the dollar is going to gain more amplitude. Okay, it's going to gain more momentum. So dollar will be gaining value. So any other pair that you're trading against the US dollar should be considered losing a little bit. So you sell those pairs so that you can be able to make money. Why is it so? Because the US got involved with the war, and their involvement was to bring peace and unity with Iran and Israel to calm the situation, and that on its own had an effect on the dollar. I don't know how. I don't know how. I'm only speaking as a trading a financial analyst and also speaking as a world economic analyst. So maybe when you have put some of the data and information that I've given you regarding this few of my fundamentals together with their fundamentals, then probably what I'm saying about the world will make more sense. See you during the weekly analysis. Also, the podcast. We have 2 episodes of the podcast we'll be bringing it to you soon. Episode 3 and episode 4. Make sure you don't miss it. To help your trading psychology and put you in the right frame of mind. See you soon.